Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are taking a couple questions off of a parent guide. This is course 2, so CPM course 2, and this is one of those parent guides, the specifically scaling to solve percent and other problems. So we're going to be dealing with percent problem as well as a scaling problem, kind of a ratio situation, getting a unit rate. So the ones I'm going to do from this are numbers 3 and 11. So let's start with 3. So it says the scale factor used to create the design for a backyard is 2 inches for every 75 feet. Okay. So 2 inches for every 75 feet. So this, they give us a little hint here. That's our ratio, right? So 2 inches for every 75 feet. It says if on the design, the fire pit is 6 inches away from the house, how far from the house in feet should the fire pit be dug? So our scale is 2 inches every 75 feet. So I want the fire pit on the design is 6 inches away. So really what we're looking at is I want to know what's that scale factor, what's that giant one that would give me 6 inches. Because if 2 inches is 75 feet, then the question is 6 inches is how many feet? So I'm going to multiply by this giant one of 3 over 3. That's my scale factor because I'm multiplying by 3. 6 times 2 times 3 is 6, right? 75 times 3 then would be 225. So 6 inches on the design would represent 225 feet in the real situation where that fire pit needs to be dug away from the house. Okay, so that's our answer there for number 3 would be 225 feet from the house. Okay, so there's that situation. Then we'll go to number 11. And number 11 now is a percent question. So it says winter coats are on clearance at 60% off. So if the regular price is $79, what is the sale price? So 60% off. So I have the regular price is $79, and I'm wanting to decrease it by 60%. So it's going to subtract. I need to figure out what is that money amount that I'm going to subtract to then figure out what the sale price is. So it's 60% off. So this is one way of looking at it. So we can actually take 60% of 79, that's going to be my discount. And then take that discount and subtract it from the original in order to then find the sale price, right? So this is the original, and this would be the sale price once I do that math. So to find 60%, remember you've got to have the use a decimal instead of the percentage itself. Make it a decimal equivalent, which is 0.6 or 6/10. And then I'm going to multiply that because it's 60% of 79. So I multiply that by 79. Okay. And let's see, what do we get for that? I'm just going to grab a calculator real quick on this one. We get 47.4. So that right there is my discount, is $47.40. So that's what's going to be the discount, 47 and 40. So now to figure out the sale price, I take 79 minus that, and I get 31.60. So the sale price would be $31.60. Okay. There we go.